Starting out with way over recipes. Today I'm going to be doing burger patties from Frozen in the Power Air Fryer Oven 360. So anytime you want to get some frozen patties cooked up quick, check out how it's done in the Power Air Fryer Oven 360. And we're going to get started now. Okay, I've got myself here Costco ground sirloin burger patties. So I'm going to get 2 of them out. Okay, in addition to the burger patties, I've got what will be some freshly cracked black pepper. I've got some garlic powder. I've got some hickory smoked sea salt. And I'll also be using some extra virgin olive oil. Now, before I get started prepping the burgers, I'm just going to get the Power Air Fryer Oven 360 started up. So I'm going to hit the start pause button. I'm going to turn the dial till I get to bake. The reason I'm going to bake is because bake can get hotter than air fry. Air fry only goes up to 400. Bake, I can turn that up to 450, the max. So I'm turning it up to 450. I'm going to set the time. I don't believe I'll need 20, but I'm just setting it to 20 minutes as a general placeholder for time. But I'm going to go ahead and hit the start button. And I've got the bake going with the air fryer fan on. So it's preheating. While it's preheating, I'm going to cover these burgers both sides with oil. Then I'm going to cover both sides with my seasonings. Alright, I got the burgers prepared. Going to just take each and put them on the crisper tray. I've got the baking pan underneath the crisper tray there. I'll use that inside of the Power Air Fryer Oven 360 to catch the drippings. So I will put the air fryer, well, the crisper tray on the air fryer level, and I'll put the baking pan down underneath on the rack just underneath there. Alright, the preheat has finished, so I'm going to hit the pause button. Just turn the time back just to make sure it's at a full 20 minutes. Now open up here, put these in simultaneously is the easiest way to get them both in together, since one has to fit right in the other. Alright, got them in there. Now I'm going to close up, hit the start button. Let that cook for a while, and I'll bring you back in a little bit. Okay, we're getting into just 10 minutes into the cook. I'm going to put a meat probe in there, so I'm going to hit pause here at this 10-minute mark and get things opened up just to stick a meat probe in there. And we'll see how much longer this cook takes to get things to I want to get to about 155 internal meat temperature to reach a medium well. I'm going to hit start again. So I'll bring you on back. Oh, and wanted to mention real quick, the meat temperature right now is at 127. Just put that meat probe in. We got 9 minutes, 38 seconds to go. It's been over 10 minutes, and it's at 128 and rising. So I'll bring you on back in a bit. Alright, we've been cooking for about 15 minutes, 30 seconds, and we're already at 156. I'm going to let it go to just an even 14 minutes of cooking time. But we're at 157. So the meat's already past a medium well, getting into well done territory. But I'll stop it in 9 seconds, so we can get it on out of there. I've got myself some homemade bread here and some Hamburger cheese. So just stop it there. You can hear that air fryer fan is pretty loud as it's cooking along. We ended up with 159 as the final temp on the cooked meat. I just hit cancel to fully shut things down and get that meat probe out. And here are our finished burger patties. Now I'm going to go ahead and get these plated. Alright, getting them on out of here. Just going to put them on my bread. My homemade bread is so thick, I'm hoping I'll be able to bite into this burger. It's going to be tricky. I'm just going to put that other slice of cheese there. And stick that patty here. Alright, just top it with my bread. This homemade bread is great stuff. Alright, I'm going to, actually I need to put some condiments on. I didn't put my mayo on the bottom. I'll just have to put it all on top this time around. We got our mayo, got some ketchup. Got some mustard. Alright, now get that bread on top. Just like that. And there you go. Double decker. Alright, now get the camera swapped around and do a taste test of this burger with burger patties from Frozen from the Power Air Fryer Oven 360. Alright, here's our finished burger. Let's do a taste test. Let's see if I can even bite into this thing. I made it so huge. Let's see. I do apologize for making that so big. That thing is huge, but it's good. And you know, burger patties done in just 14 minutes, really a little less than 14 minutes. So, you know, pretty good, quick cooking there. I do recommend for you know, stuff like those frozen meats and stuff, hit it at 450 with the bacon, the air fryer, because the regular air fryer option can't get that hot, and you do see a difference if you take it lower. So, you know, go with the hottest and knock it out. It all is good. And you can find this other recipes, cooking instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always directly access this YouTube channel through waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and good eating.